Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Watson Strawberry Lightening and Exfoliating Body Wash. Watson Strawberry Lightening and Exfoliating Body Wash combines the antioxidant and skin brightening effects of Italian blood orange oil and strawberry extracts that helps to give a youthful and luminous skin. This body wash moisturizes dry skin and evens out skin tone with a non-greasy formula. This product is often compared with other luxurious and highly remarkable products. It contains a unique signature herbal complex ingredient that helps to ease the skin's aging process, relieving irritation and helping to reduce the appearance of scarring and stretch marks. This product is available in a variety of lightly perfumed fragrances. Your skin will feel velvety, radiant and conditioned after just one use. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.